morning world. Oh, God, it's freaking freezing. Even though it keeps out the wind, when you wrap it around you, it does have a habit of standing to attention when it feels like it. Like me last night. Because it compresses, you do still get the cold, at your lowest point. So if you're lying on your side, it'd be your hip. If you're lying on your back, it'd be your back. It does feel a bit damp, but that could just be because I'm cold. So I think what I'm going to have to go and do is go back to having my inflatable mattress. It doesn't weigh that much. I think it's like half a kilo. I think. Less maybe. The bat's flying over there. They're a bit late. Oh. Yeah, so oven ready's fine. It does a job. It's a nice wind barrier. But I can feel it starting to break in places. But then it's designed, I think it was £8. It's designed to be put on the ground and sat upon as a ground sheet. Not to be put in a hammock for some fat old insomniac who's constantly tossing and turning all night long. Yeah, that is a bloody cold wind. Ow. You got to bear in mind, this is North Hill. I think it's either 300 feet or 300 meters above sea level, and the sea is just over that hill. But actually, it's an estuary. It's a big ass estuary. It's a 7 estuary, and it gets hit by a lot of wind. A lot of cold wind. Doesn't really get rain up here very much, but it does get a lot of cold wind, sea wind. So yeah, I'm shivering at the moment. So trying to lean over and pee again. I don't know why I pee so much when I'm in a hammock. Could be the cold. Yeah, it's terrifying when you first do it. Okay, for ladies, it's not an option. For guys, it is. But it really is a case of just unzipping, leaning over, making sure the bag packed is on the inside so I don't pee in it, and then sort of flipping over on your side, kind of thing, as you can see from the damp patch.